I'm Vickie and welcome to my art channel. Today I'm going to challenge myself to create a stunning contemporary acrylic underpainting. I'm so excited to be able to working on this new piece, and I'm thrilled to have you all here for the ride. Now, when we think about contemporary art, it's all about pushing boundaries, exploring new ideas, and that's exactly what I aim to do on this project. Starting a piece can be intimidating, but I know the biggest hurdle for many artists is just getting past the initial fear of that blank canvas. We've all been there, staring at a pristine white surface, wondering what on earth are we going to create and fearing it'll be a total disaster. I'm going to start with a very loose underpainting, just to get color and energy in the canvas, and then you'll see where it takes me. As I begin to block out the composition, I'm already feeling the excitement build. This is now the new part of the process I love the most. The uncertainty, the possibility, the feeling that anything could happen. Now, as I step back and take a look at where I'm at, I'm realizing this piece is all about embracing the unknown and taking risks. It's about trusting the process, letting go of our need for control. And that's exactly what I hope to convey to all of you. That art is a journey, not a destination. And the most beautiful things can emerge from the most unexpected places. Hope you enjoyed the ride, maybe even learned a thing or two about your own artistic process.